Alright guys, Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and this is the Pixel 4a, no I'm just kidding, it's not the 4a, it's the Pixel 6 Pro, and I am testing out the 4K at 60 frames a second. I think it's 4K 60 frames with the front-facing camera. I just know the front-facing camera shoots in 4K. Right now, I'm kind of like in a little area where we can film like outside where I'm not hopefully trespassing on any properties. I have my cousin in the background that will get some video shots of, and I'm going to take some pictures and post them on my Instagram. Right now, I'm shooting just the normal front-facing camera mode though. And the cool part about the Pixel 6 Pro, yes, is that it has like a self-illumination that you can turn on. And right now I don't have that turned on, but I will do that right now and on this next clip. All right, this is pretty cool. So self-illumination, and again, we got my cousin there in the background. He's messing with the lightsabers, and I know you're probably hearing like little bells in the background also. That's because there's a bunch of flagpoles around and they're clanking against things. So it's kind of not a common video that I do personally, but hopefully, you know, it gives you guys some, you know, I guess footage on how this shoots at nighttime. The sun's pretty much down already. Really, the clouds, the sky's just overcast. I have a plane in the background. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I just wanted to really test out the 4K, and hopefully I can maybe go by this building over here a little bit later and take some closer shots of that. But yeah, we're gonna take some footage and pictures of my cousin here doing some nice lightsabering. We'll probably add in some music during the edit, right? Just get that going. But okay, let's check it out. Alright, so again, we are shooting in 4K at 60 frames a second here, shooting with the Pixel 6 Pro. Shout outs to Tito. And again, it's nighttime already, guys, so the sun's going down, and I really wanted to just get, you know, I guess video of me walking around with this. Again, I couldn't go to the area that I usually go to, is like the convention center area, which is on that side. And I wanted to get a walk around and see how stable this camera is when just walking around. I know Google has definitely gotten a lot better with that. Let's see if we can zoom in on this building over here. Raul's walking past me. See if I can focus a little bit. It's pretty far away, but usually we go where that little building is over there. So let's just go back to normal again. Let's just follow the guy in the black over here with the lightsabers. Any other time of the year, it would probably be weird for him to be walking around. But either way, I'm super impressed by the Pixel 6 Pro camera, just to give you guys the feedback right now through the video. Definitely something that, you know, I didn't expect, especially the night shots. I mean, I'll post some of these on my Instagram, but I'll try to include some of these shots in the video that we took out here tonight, just so that you guys can kind of get a good idea on how good this shoots. And again, really, I wanted to get more shots in the low light area. Of course, I know this is going to do really good during the day, right? But I really wanted you guys to see how good this shoots at nighttime. Ooh, this looks really good. We might get some pictures or video out here standing in front of this building, because I think that looks pretty cool. But all right, let's get that going. Alright guys, this is just kind of a sneak peek at what the Pixel 6 Pro can do. Now, of course, there's probably a lot of videos and pictures floating around on the internet already, on YouTube especially, Instagram, all those other apps, right? So shout out to Team Pixel. And again, I am using the self-illumination thing on here because, again, it is dark. I do have lighting where I'm at, but, you know, it still gives me a little bit more front light here. And again, I'm just super impressed by the Pixel 6 Pro. And what it can do. And again, I probably plan to do some more footage on this during the day when I'm out, you know, and about on my next day off. Again, big shout out to Mr. Raul over here for helping me with the videos here. You'll see him in the shots as far as like the lightsaber stuff goes. So again, guys, Mike from VTech Reviews signing off. We'll see you guys next time. Smash the like button and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're at Game & Buster's and this game looks trippy, so hit it in the middle. Bonus footage. Team Pixel, baby. This just looks cool. I just wanted to get footage of this because of the color, by the way, guys. And that's it, I guess. Now, beer pong practice for little kids over here. Does it matter which one it goes in? No! Alright, here's the beer pong game. Let's see how good Raul is. Bounce it, bro. This game is rigged.
Great game. Wanna play?
Rigged.
What the hell? Thanks for playing Dave & Buster's Red Cup Challenge.
It's fake.